Hey guys, welcome back to another video and to a hair tutorial. So I usually wash my hair about twice a week. Right now, while we're in isolation, I wash my hair once a week. So it's very key for me to be able to find new ways to style my dirty hair so that it doesn't look too dirty. Also, I'm not good at doing any hair braids or any fancy hairstyles like that. I can only do really simple hairstyles, and I know that some of you out there are just like me, so I thought I'd put together a quick little hair tutorial. It's very simple, very basic, but I hope that it inspires you guys and gives you guys some ideas on how you can style your dirty hair. So right now I have second day hair. I curled it and styled it properly yesterday. I woke up with my hair like this. I haven't brushed it, I haven't done anything to it. So I curl my hair with this really old ceramic Babyliss Pro 38mm curling iron. Although it doesn't really matter how you curl your hair, the key is that you have texture for your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh day hair. So you don't want to style your hair with straight hair because it's going to be a bit boring, a bit one-dimensional. You do want a bit of texture in it. So I just curl my hair with this, and then I wake up and, you know, second day hair still looks pretty good. The key is that you just want movement in your hair. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So as I said, the key to these hairstyles is having textured hair. So you definitely need to curl your hair the day before, or you might need to go in with your curling iron really quickly in areas where your hair has dropped just a little bit too much. You really don't need it to be perfect though, it's just about not having dead straight hair. The other essential to these hairstyles is having hair accessories, and I get mine at Kmart or on eBay. It might sound a bit dramatic, but I swear these hair accessories have changed my life because washing my hair is literally a chore. So this first hair hack is so simple but absolutely life-changing, and all you need are these knotted headbands. Just put your hair behind your ears and throw it on. It's that simple, but it really hides your dirty hair. I have a few in different prints and colours to go with different outfits. The second look is my other go-to, although if your hair is super dirty, you might need to go in with a dry shampoo first, as it's not as forgiving as the first look. I've stocked up on cute bow tie scrunchies in different colours and textures specifically for this look. All you need to do is pull the front section of your hair back and secure with your scrunchie of choice, making sure the bow is sitting at the top so you can visibly see it from the front. Then just carefully tug at the hair on top to create a bit of volume, and that's it. It's super easy, but it's also a really cute and fun hairstyle. You can also use regular scrunchies as well, but I personally like the look that the bow creates. Next, it's all about these hair clips we've seen everywhere on Instagram. I have a small collection in different looks and sizes so that I can create different styles. I found the key to working with these clips is literally just trial and error. You also definitely need wavy hair for this one because it really doesn't look nowhere near as cute with just straight hair. Just play around with where your hair is sitting, add another clip or two and see if it works. Also, if you don't want that big clip part to show at the front, just flip it around and clip your hair from the opposite direction. I don't really need to explain these looks to you because they're pretty straightforward. Just grab those clips and start playing. For the final look, I want to introduce you to these spiral hair ties if you haven't seen them already. I find that they grip your hair really well and are really good for people with lots of hair. You also need a scrunchie that's pretty voluminous like this one so that it can hide your hair. This is my go-to look when my hair is desperately crying to be washed. All I do is pull it back into a bun, which is not rocket science, I know, but the scrunchie does an amazing job at hiding all the little pieces of hair and making the bun look really neat and tidy. So essentially you look really put together even though you're actually really not. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you have any other ideas to style dirty hair, then leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more, and subscribe if you haven't already. I also do vlogs with my husband as well, so if you're interested in watching our vlogs and our sort of daily life, I'll leave the links down below. Don't forget to let me know what other videos you want to see from me. I hope you're staying safe in isolation, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.